Let's correct something immediately. You don't need to be exceptional to earn $20 an hour on Upwork. You need to be positioned correctly. Those are different problems. If you've ever opened Upwork, typed in a skill you barely understand, seen people charging $75 an hour, and quietly closed the tab, this is for you. Because the gap between zero experience and $20 an hour is not talent. It's structure. And once you see the structure, the number becomes less dramatic. The $20 illusion. $20 an hour doesn't sound like much until you compare it correctly. At 40 hours a week, that's $800. At 4 weeks, that's $3,200. Even at 20 hours a week, that's $1,600. 4 mini entry-level jobs in the US, that's competitive. But here's the quiet advantage freelancing has over hourly employment. You're paid for output, not presence. And that changes the math. If you learn how to complete a 2-hour task in 60 minutes, your effective hourly rate doubles. Employment rarely rewards that. Freelancing does. That's the lever. Why most beginners stay at $5 to $10 per hour. Here's the pattern. New freelancer joins Upwork. Lists virtual assistant. Sets rate at $8/hour. Sends 30 generic proposals. Gets ignored. Drops rate to $6. Wrong move. The issue isn't experience. It's vagueness. Clients don't hire virtual assistants. They hire someone to clean a 5,000 email inbox, someone to format a 30-page PDF, someone to upload 100 Shopify products, someone to edit 10 YouTube shorts. Specific problems get paid. General identities get ignored. The real barrier isn't skill. It's proof. You don't need years of experience. You need evidence you can do one small task well. That's it. When clients hire on Upwork, they're reducing risk. They are not asking, is this person talented? They're asking, will this person cause me stress? At $20 per hour, they are buying reliability, not genius. Step 1. Pick a task, not a career. This is where most people overcomplicate things. Don't ask, what skill should I learn? Ask, what task can I complete in under 2 hours that businesses repeatedly need done? Here are examples that regularly pay $20 per hour or more. Editing short-form videos with CapCut. Formatting blog posts in WordPress. Basic Canva social media graphics. Uploading and optimizing Etsy listings. Data cleanup in spreadsheets. Podcast show note formatting. Email list segmentation in MailChimp. None of these require formal credentials. They require tutorials and repetition. YouTube can teach you the technical side in a weekend. What separates the $20 freelancer from the $8 one is packaging. Step 2. Build proof before you apply. Here's where beginners hesitate. How do I get experience if no one hires me? You manufacture it. If you want to offer YouTube short editing, download 3 public domain clips. Edit them into 30-second shorts. Add captions. Create a Google Drive folder. Label it sample work. Now you have proof. It's not paid work, but it demonstrates competence. Clients don't verify your history. They scan for confidence and clarity. The psychology of pricing at $20. Let's talk about the number. Why not start at $10 and work up? Because price anchors perception. When you charge $8 per hour, you attract clients optimizing for cost. When you charge $20 per hour, you attract clients optimizing for competence. Different psychology. Also consider this. At $8/hour, to earn $800 you need 100 hours. At $20/hour, you need 40 hours. Time matters. If you're going to build something, build it at a sustainable rate. Step 3. Your profile should look like a service page. Most beginner profiles read like resumes. Hi, I'm hardworking and detail-oriented. That's not how clients think. Instead, structure your profile like this. Headline: YouTube Shorts Editor, fast captions plus high retention cuts. First paragraph: clear outcome. I help creators turn long videos into engaging short-form clips that increase watch time and subscriber growth. Bullet points: 24 to 48 hour turnaround. Clean captions. Platform-optimized formats. Clear communication. Then link samples. That's it. Simple. Focused. Outcome-driven. Step 4. Proposal strategy. This is where $20 happens. Most freelancers lose before they start. They write long proposals. Clients skim. Instead, structure proposals like this. 1 sentence showing you read the job post. 1 sentence stating how you would approach it. 1 sentence offering to show a quick example. Example: I saw you're looking for someone to edit 5 podcast clips into TikTok content. I'd focus on strong hook moments in the first 3 seconds and clean caption styling for retention. I can send a 30-second sample edit today if helpful. Short, specific, low friction. Clients respond to clarity. The first 3 jobs matter more than the next 30. Your first goal is not income. It's reviews. If you land a small fixed-price project for $40 and it takes 2 hours, that's $20 per hour. But more importantly, it's social proof. After 3 to 5 5-star reviews, conversion rates increase significantly. Why? Because Upwork is a marketplace. Trust compounds. Data reality check. Freelance marketplaces operate on simple math. Clients filter by location, rating, price, job success score. Once you hit 90% plus job success, 5 plus positive reviews, clear niche positioning, $20 per hour becomes normal. In many categories it's modest. The average US-based freelancer in administrative support categories ranges between $18 to $30 per hour depending on specialization. You are not aiming for elite status. You are aiming for professional baseline. Step 5. Narrow until it feels slightly uncomfortable. General, virtual assistant. Better, Etsy product upload assistant. Even better, Etsy SEO listing optimization for print-on-demand shops. Specificity reduces competition. Fewer people apply. You look specialized, your perceived value increases. And perceived value drives hourly rate. The hidden lever, speed. Here's something beginners don't consider. If a task pays $100 and takes 5 hours, $20 per hour. 3 hours, $33 per hour. 2 hours, $50 per hour. Skill compresses time. So once you start landing consistent work, improve efficiency. Watch advanced tutorials. Build templates. Create shortcuts. Your rate doesn't have to change, your speed does. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Applying to 50 random jobs. Competing on price. Offering 10 unrelated services. Writing emotional proposals. Taking clients who negotiate aggressively on small budgets. Low-budget clients are usually high-stress clients. That's not universal, but it's common. Your goal is steady clients who value outcomes. Month-by-month breakdown. Month 1. Pick one service. Create 3 to 5 samples. Send 5 to 10 targeted proposals daily. Aim for first 2 to 3 small contracts. Month 2. Focus on repeat clients. Improve speed. Raise rate to $22 to $25 if fully booked. Month 3. Drop lowest paying client. Replace with higher quality one. Optimize workflow. This isn't instant, but it's linear. Why being US-based matters. Location affects perception. Many clients prefer US freelancers for time zone alignment, communication clarity, cultural familiarity. That preference alone supports the $20 baseline. Use it. Highlight availability hours. Mention response time. Signal reliability. The real shift, think like a micro agency. You are not looking for work. You are offering a defined service. Small shift, massive impact. When you think like a job seeker, you lower your rate. When you think like a service provider, you defend it. $20 per hour is not aggressive. It's reasonable for structured, outcome-driven work. Let's ground this. Imagine you secure 2 clients at 10 hours per week each. $20 per hour. That's $400/week. $1,600/month. That's rent in many cities. Or debt payoff. Or savings. Not glamorous, but stable. And stability is where leverage begins. Once you hit consistency at $20/hour, you can move to $25. Then $30. Then package-based pricing.